What's up, boys? Took a little loss on NQ today, but it's all right. I'm honestly not too mad about it. We had a big win yesterday, and this barely even makes a dent into it. So we're just gonna go over the trade I took and the logic behind it. So 4 hour. I don't know what this is. Like, this is a glitch, obviously. I have no idea what this is, so I'm not even considering this a high. Like, I checked and price didn't even go up to there. So it's just a glitch on M and Q. But 4 hour just kind of can see the market structure. There's no gaps to really go off of. So let's go down to the 1 hour. We had a 1 hour IFVG here, and I wanted to dip back down into it and go up. Let's go down to the 1 minute. So market opens right about here. We go down on market open. We took this little buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity. So took that, came down, and I was just looking for SMTs to be put in play. So I believe it was. So yeah, there's a SMT right here. So we have an SMT there. And preferably I wanted to get this SMT right here. But we started displacing higher at a very rapid rate. So I was like, okay, well, we're probably just going to go touch these highs then. It was a very V-shaped recovery, right? So had no 1 minute, 2 minute, or 3 minute in this leg. That was a 3 minute, yeah. So it was just a 5 minute. So I marked that up. We obviously had our CISD right here. Got the CISD, went higher. So yeah, 5 minutes right here. We came all the way up to here in real time, and then rejected at the last second, came down, and then pushed back up a little bit. So honestly, should I have waited for a more convincing close? Probably. I think I got a little greedy though. But entered off this one right here. Kind of got a little bad entry, but that's all right. Stop loss was kind of. I should have had it maybe a little lower. I'm not gonna lie. In hindsight, I mean, I think all the way down here would be negative. Yeah, but maybe a little lower. I mean, I maybe would have gotten stopped out anyways, but should have been like here. Yeah, still get stopped out, but that would probably be the smarter play because there's a fair value gap. Kind of just put it right in the consequent encroachment of it. But started going up a little bit. Almost hit my break even. As you can see, break even right here. Almost hit my break even, but ended up reversing, and I got stopped out, and then it proceeded to hit my take profit. I'm not. I feel like I rushed the entry a little bit. In all honesty, I should have waited for a more higher quality setup. But I just saw the displacement, and then my confluence is matched up. I felt like it was a good entry. Normally don't enter off of 5 minutes, but again, like that was the only one in the leg, and that was the only one that was gonna stop us from going up. So if we inversed it, that would give me pretty good confirmation that we were gonna hit my draw on liquidity. Just kind of unfortunate, kind of a bad stop loss placement. But good thing we minimized our loss. We only lost 178, which is really not too bad, considering we got 700 yesterday. Let's look at the week. Profitable on the week. So we end the week profitable. Follow my rules throughout mainly the entire week, except for Tuesday, maybe. Shouldn't have traded that because that obviously was Wednesday. But pretty solid week for following the rules. Pretty solid week of trading, I would say. Not too bad. I mean, this day kind of saved me, to be honest. But I don't know. I just got to be a little more patient. I feel like I was doing pretty good with that, but just more patience never hurts. But we are up on the eval technically. Let's see, we are $20 up. Um, don't know when the rebill is, but I need to probably size up a little bit on this eval if I want to pass it before the rebill. We've already been on it for 3 weeks, so yeah, probably this week I'm gonna have to size up or something. I don't really know. Definitely not gonna force any trades because I mean it'd just be a waste of $50. But yeah, that's basically all for the video. Just kind of an unfortunate, not unfortunate. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but stop loss placement was a little bad and proceeded to hit my TP, which is annoying. But that's basically it for this video. So see y'all boys later.